What could be better treat than gingerbread cookies during winter holidays? With Christmas just a few weeks away, I'm ready to share with you easy but delicious recipe. It makes the house smell amazing with its aromas of honey and seasonings. I hope you will love them too. This gingerbread cookie recipe is simple to make. First, make the dough. In a saucepan, insert together sugar, seasonings, pinch of salt to make all the flavors pop, honey and cold butter. To give it a dark brown color, I add a spoon of cocoa. Put on a medium heat and whisk it until the butter melts. Remove from the gas and add baking soda. Whisk well. Also add the eggs and whisk again. Finally, mix in the flour and knead the dough. Wrap it tightly in a plastic and chill it in the fridge for at least 2 hours. Take the dough out of the fridge and let it rest during 10-15 minutes. Divide it into 2 equal pieces and on a lightly floured surface roll out the dough using a rolling pin. Use cookie cutters to cut out your desired shapes. Collect the dough scraps. Move the cutouts on a non-stick baking tray and bake at 170 Celsius preheated oven during 7-8 minutes. I bake them in the center oven rack so the cookies bake evenly. Re-roll the dough scraps and cut out the cookies. Repeat the process as many times as necessary. Even recipe bakes this amount of cookies in total. If you liked the video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe my channel.